Hello students, in the last year we learn about the identities. Means here if a plus b, expansion of that a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now second formula is a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And third one, a minus b and a plus b, it is equal to a square minus b square. This is also the expansion of a plus b bracket square. These are called the identities because both sides are equal. Now in this year we are learning the another expansion formula, that is the expansion formula. There are some more formulas in which we have to expand this term. Now if here a minus b and a plus b, in this both bracket both terms are same, a b b, but if the terms are different here, for example suppose x plus a and here x plus b, means second term is different here, first term is same, then how to expand or how to multiply these brackets, that is called the expansion of these two terms. Now as we know that in this both two terms are here and two brackets are here, that's why it is called a binomial. So multiplied binomial by the binomial, means two terms are there, that's why it is called binomial. So when we are multiplying, we have to multiply each bracket by the each term, means here by x into x plus b and second bracket a into x plus b, a into x plus b, it is equal to x into x, that is x into x plus x into b, x into b plus again a into x plus a into b, means we multiplied each term of the bracket by each term the number which is outside the bracket. It is equal to x into x, that is x square. As we know that the when we multiply any number by itself, then we are getting the square, that's why x into x, that is the x square, plus x into b, that is xb, plus ax plus ab. Now here we have to, if there are like terms are there, then we have to, if addition and subtraction is there of like terms, then we have to add or subtract these like terms. So xb and ax, these are like terms, so we can add it, or we can take the common number x into the bracket a plus b or b plus a plus ab. This is the expansion of x plus a and x plus b, means when the first term is same or second term is different, then we have to expand this by the multiplication of this bracket. Now I am taking one example for that. Suppose here y plus or 2y plus 6 and here 2y plus 5. Now second term is different, instead of a and b I have taken numbers, maybe any term is there. So it is equal to now 2y into this bracket and again 6 into this whole bracket. So next step, 2y into the bracket 2y plus 5 plus 6 into the bracket 2y plus 5. Then it is equal to 2y into 2y, 2y into 2y plus 2y into 5 plus 6 into 2y plus 6 into 5. Then it is equal to 2y into 2y, that is 4y square, 2 into 2 4 and y into y square, plus 2y into 5, that is 10y, plus 6 into 2y, that is 12y plus 30, and it is equal to, now here 4y square plus 10y into 10y plus 12y, it is 22y plus 30. Now here we did the multiplication, means we multiplied each term. Instead of that we can use directly this formula which is called the expansion formula for the expansion of these two terms. Means here directly we can write 2y plus 6 and here 2y plus 5, where this is the x and this is a, here x and this is b. First term is same. So x plus a and x plus b. So what is the formula here? X square plus x into the bracket x plus a plus b plus ab. So x square means first term 2y bracket square plus x into the bracket a plus b or a plus b. Here we can write this x after the bracket also. Then also there is no change in the answer. So a plus b means here a is 6 plus b means 5 and x means here 2y plus again a into b means here 6 into 5. Then it is equal to 4y square plus 6 plus 5 11 and 11 to 22, 22y plus 30. Now see here, when we multiply each term, then also we got the same answer, and by using the formula also we got the same answer. Means we can verify in this way also our answer is wrong or right. Now I hope you have understood all this topic very well, how to use this expansion formula to expand any term. Thank you, students.